Now it's time to create our hero area. So to edit our home page or create hero area, I have to click edit page here, and here I have my hero area that I'm gonna create here, and in this tab this is our design. So this is our hero area. Now let's navigate to home and type here group, because inside group I'll be adding column, and which is 2-column layout. And here you can see when I select columns, I am able to change the width 1200 pixel. Now it looks like this. And now from home page, let's take a look at here. Copy the text. Here you can see a icon or a dot. By default there is no icon options inside Block Editor. You have to use third-party plugin, but I'm not going to use any third-party plugin as of now, but I can use Unicode for adding icon. Let me show you what I mean by Unicode. First of all, let's take a row here and add that text that I have copied. And also here is the website. I think not this one. I think it was this website, and I will share with you this website URL so that you can use them. And there are lots of icons that you can take from here. Simply type circle, and here you can see a lot of circle, but I'm not gonna use them. Let's type list item. Okay, let's type round and search here and see if there is any round shape icon. Okay, there is no round shape icon. I can type here circle and hit enter. So there is only one circle that I have found, which is circle bullet, and except that I do not see any of them. But if I go to front page, I can see there is a circle, this one. If I click over here, I can simply copy, and I'll be using this one as of now. And here inside row, select a row and click here, select paragraph, and paste here that little dot. It's very small. What I can do, I can simply navigate. I can select this dot here, change the color, and then make it bigger like this. So inside typography, let's add custom value here and change its position beginning of this text. Select the row and click style, change the block spacing. Okay, so I have to add 5 pixel. It looks perfect now. Click on update and reload the page and view the page here. It looks like this. So as you can see, when I drag, there is a line height, which is a big line height here, and I'm gonna reduce the line height. So as you can see, when I type something, it's very big, but I have taken this paragraph to use this icon, not for text, and for this reason I would like to reduce the line height here. When I select, as you can see, it's the line height is so big, and let's reduce. So I have added I reduce the line height. As of now, it's looks like this. And now let's copy the other text here. Okay, not here. I'm gonna select column and select this plus icon, heading 1, and paste the text here. Copy this text, paste here, change it to medium, and add a button here. View all courses. So my browser size is right now 80%, and that's why it looks a little bit smaller. Let's download this image. Just open a new tab, save download, and close other tab here. Select image and upload, and then select column here. Let's make it align middle. Click update and reload the page. So we are done with our hero sections, right? It looks beautiful, right? And exactly similar like the one that we can view here.